Tell me about yourself and why did you apply in Aleta Community School?
So I am Jasmine Alalia, graduating student from Caraga State University with of course Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Science. And I also have an experience in preparing high school students, including subjects English, Science, Filipino, and Mathematics. And I'm also about to participate in the Rabasa program for elementary non-reader student. And I enjoy teaching students in a simple and enjoyable way. So I applied in this position is for me to develop my skills and also to be part of an institution where ang mga tagaan ng second chances ang mga wala na kahuman o display.
So, as you can see, Alicapua is an alternative learning system. So, probably you'll handle students from, let's say, with diverse ages. So, how would you cater out of school youth or young adults knowing that they have diverse ages?
Maybe the first thing to do is to know your students and what exactly they have or they need to learn and be able to give them the exact learning they need.
So, let's say in a situation where, of course, the older one tends to dominate the classroom in comparison to the younger ones. So, how can you address that so that we can teach them equally?
Maybe I should create a creative activity where we can cater the older ones and the younger ones.
See, I mentioned about interest because one of the major problems that we encounter as teacher is that students tend to lose motivation and interest, leading them to quit mid-school year or approximately near the end of school year. So, how can you motivate your students to complete their education for the entire school year?
Give an activity nga kanang align sa asa sila maayo. For example, they are good in drawing, so I can give an activity nga matarget ang yapon ang learning competency at the same time ma-enjoy nila ang pagbahas sa activity.
See, now we progress sa part na we say the drop ang students because they just lose motivation. But the problem is, it's not about only the interest ang makalose sa motivation, but also their life struggles. Now, how can you address a situation, for example, you doon si mo si student and ask you, Ma'am, I'm having a hard time with my classes right now because we have financial problems and I have to find sidelines wherein our classes are affected. So how can you give other ways para ang student, makapadayon sila ng student, given na nasunod sila ng situation?
First is the comfort the student and then ask for higher ups to help me or to create an intervention for at the same time if not siya mag-miss ng mga classes, he can have an intervention.
Situational question. Out of 25 students, there are only 5 students na appears in one classroom. What will you do for that section?
Considering the effort of the 5 students, I will still give them the lesson and try to do the lesson that should be catered that day. To ask the students if they have a valid reason to absent in that class so that I can decide if okay ba mag-intervention.
If hired, what would be your contribution to the growth of Alicapua Community Schooling, Boot 1 and its learners?
Inspire students to pursue learning despite the situation.
Thank you so much. I hope